It's Khadija, welcome back to my YouTube channel, it's Khadija, and today I'll be showing you how to change your ringtone. So let's get started. First you need to go, so I swipe up the Samsung S8, how to change your ringtone on Samsung S8. That's the title for this video. Anyways, I swipe up and down. You need to find, I was about to say phone, but you need to find settings. So go on settings. Yes, I am the Indian Wi-Fi person, yes. Anyways, you go on sounds and vibration, then go on ringtone. So I did rose because I don't really like it, so I made this video to change it up. So yeah, so here it is. So guys, that was all the ringtones. That was kind of boring, but I know which one I'm going to go for. I'm going to go for the ice cream. So ice cream it is. Now vibration. Okay, so that's it. Now the notification sounds. Go with it, smile. Ice cream, heartbeat, and smile. Let's go for a different one, like a zigzag. So yeah. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So yeah. Anyways, bye.